Before we go through the Katana templates, I'll give you a quick overview of the folder structure of the accompanying download files. In assets, you can find the source files for each asset, for example ZHDB_flat, which is the LiDAR scan of one of the locations. If you look inside the folder, there is the original LiDAR scan and a cleanup version, which is lighter to load and the one we will be using in the shots. The Samurai is our main asset, and the folder has all the files we need for the asset itself. Katana has the lookdev source file, and in the lookdev folder you will find the baked KLF, which has the lookdev data. 3D Light requires a specific texture format, and those can be found in the textures folder for the asset. In T-Pose you can find the cache which are used to lookdev the Samurai. Let's take a quick look at the general shot structure. Each shot has its own folder with all the required shot elements. Cache has the shot-specific animation data, for example the shot camera and animated Samurai. We will save our Katana files into the Katana folder and set up our scene files to render into the shot-specific RNDR folder.